All right, I decided to go ahead and make a video on how to change the key fob battery for a Honda Accord Coupe. My vehicle is a 2017. I don't know what model years also have this style of key fob, but the one I have has a lock, unlock, hold for the windows, trunk, and then it's got hold for, which is basically a panic. If you have that, chances are it's the same exact fob. You obviously are going to need the fob. You're going to need CR 2032 batteries, or a battery. That's a very common watch battery. You can get them just about anywhere, Walmart, Amazon. Anyway, the quick and easy way to do this is you turn this over and you should see this little release right here. You push that release, and that is to release the valet key. This is the one that you would lock the car up and you would hand him the fob. You'd lock your trunk, give him the fob, and he shouldn't be able to get anything else, or the other way around. So anyway, at the very top you have what appears to be like a key ring hole, little chrome guy here, and then right on the end there, basically there's a spot that looks like it's made for a key to slide into, where you can take the key that you just took out, slide it in right here, and pry it. And then what you're doing is you're prying the two halves apart. This is the top part with the logo on it. This is the meat of the remote, and here's your battery. And using your fingernail or a little screwdriver, you just pop it out. Like all watch batteries that I've ever seen, the flat side is the positive. It even has a positive right on there, and the bottom side is the negative. If you look at it from the side, the larger surface is the positive. So you take your new battery, you're going to pop it out. Obviously I should have done that ahead of time. And it's just that easy, as long as the battery is good. Positive side up, and you're going to slide it in and pop it. It's going to go in just like that. And then you just take your top half, mate the two halves like so, and push down hard, and it should click. And the seam that's right in here should be sealed. Take your valet key, slide it back in, you're good to go. And then all you got to do is test it on the car.